Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the HF Home Firewood Shelf with wheels. It's a movable metal wooden shelf for your firewood. It's wood storage with a stable metal frame, powder coating and rubber feet. The wood storage is for smooth floors to move them by rolls. Thanks to the stable wheels, this wooden basket can be easily moved over smooth floors without pocket tiles or laminate, so we can easily transport the fireplace wood and the conventionally at it at any time. The wooden stand is rated as a mobile firewood shelf and ensures a more comfort in the daily use. Made of rubber metal with a high quality powder coating, because this firewood holder is rust proof, water repellent and scratch resistant. The solid construction ensures a high load capacity and it guarantees a long-term use. The wooden shelf offers a safe and tidy storage right next to the fireplace or stove. The incredible night increased ground clearance promotes the air circulation and keeps the firewood dry. At the same time, the rubber feet protect the floor from scratches. Thanks to the design, that firewood basket is easy to move, so that the wood remains on the dust under the shelf and can be easily removed and cleaned up. The pew frame measurement is 45 to 33 to 70 centimeter. With the handle, the wheels, the size is 53, 43, 70 centimeters. This wooden shelf is perfect for storing logs from 30 centimeter lengths. With its compact footprint, it fits into any living room and still offers enough storage space for the firewood. And you see, it comes with a lot of space to get this wood in place. We have here a nice and good looking and rollable, so movable fireplace wood shelf with wheels, and effortlessly organize the firewood next to the fireplace, for example, and perfect for tools for transporting firewood on the gunfire or to the gunfire. The perfect companion for the fireplace, especially for the storage of the firewood. Indoors, easy refilling and cleaning, and stable floor friendly and smooth movement, all in one device. Robust metal construction, easy to push and to pull, and you can attach it or assemble it in two ways, because one is for easy transport and the other one is for easy look. So you can choose what you prefer to assemble. Easy to push and pull or nice to show. Easily clean the wood residues and dirt with that device. This is the really nice HF Home Firewood Shelf for inside and outside. You can use it where you like and where you need it. But I think often you will need it inside because of the wood. Of course. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Fire up time. Sun sun.